What is the best gaming mini PC for beginners? And why start with a mini PC? For that matter, what is a mini PC? Welcome to the Mini PC Tech channel, where we talk about everything mini PC. This is Mike, your host. Today we're looking at gaming mini PC for beginners. Even so, it's a big investment, so let's dive into what you need to know. Stay with us because we're also giving you our picks to get you started shopping for gaming mini PCs. If you like videos like these, remember to subscribe to find out when new videos come out. If you want more information, check on the link to our blog post in the description. First, what is a mini PC and why use one for gaming? A mini PC is a small form factor computer with the same components as its larger cousins, the laptop or desktop. It is generally under 3 pounds and takes up little space. Sometimes none, because some of these mount behind a TV or monitor. The mini PC is usually less expensive than its bigger cousins. You can find mini PCs out there for under $100. Okay, so there must be a downside to this, right? Well, if you put all those components in a small box like that, it can generate more heat, and it may suffer from fan noise. Also, to put all those components in a small space, everything is usually soldered in place, so you can't easily upgrade or change anything. You usually get what you pay for. So what do you need for a beginner mini PC? You need 3 things: processor speed, memory, and graphics. The processor, also known as the CPU, should be at least a Ryzen 7 or equivalent. That will give it the power it needs to coordinate the games fast enough to give you a good experience.
You need enough memory to run the game without overflowing and sending stuff to disk. That usually means at least 16 GB, but 32 GB is better.
Usually the price difference between the two sizes isn't that big, so if available, go for the larger amount of memory. Also, the speed of the memory is important. Most today are either DDR4 or DDR5. DDR4 is less expensive, but DDR5 is faster and more energy efficient. Finally, but not the least, is the graphics card. We will talk about graphics in a whole other video, but it comes down to the number of high-resolution displays supported. 2 4K is an absolute minimum. 3 is better. The speed of the displays is important too. Most inexpensive graphics support 60 Hz. Something bigger like 144 Hz is even better. With that behind us, let's dive into the 5 gaming mini PCs. We have provided links to each one below this video in the description. First one, the BOSGAME MINI PC P1, is our economy pick. It's a great balance between price and performance for a beginner. It comes with a Ryzen 7 CPU, 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, and support for 3 4K displays. It runs quiet but isn't able to handle modern AAA titles, which are premium games at high speeds. Next, we have the GMKTEC Gaming PC. It also has a Ryzen 7 CPU and 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and handles 3 4K displays. It also handles an 8K display at 60 Hz, an added bonus at a slightly higher price. This makes it our top pick for beginners if you want to dig a little deeper into your wallet. Next, we have the KAMRUI Ryzen 7. It has the same specs as our top pick for the CPU and memory. The disk is a bit smaller at 512 GB versus 1 TB for the other two. It only supports 2 4K displays versus 3. But it is the lowest price and even comes with a bracket so you can mount it behind a TV or monitor. That combination makes it our starter pick. What separates the ACEMAGICIAN Mini PC from the others? This falls between the first two in price, is a little different form factor as a mini desktop, and has really cool lighting on the case. The downside is it only comes with 16 GB of DDR4 memory and the CPU is a little slower than the others. It also supports dual 4K displays, one of which can be as fast as 120 Hz. There are other models of the same mini PC that are more powerful but take a bigger bite out of your wallet. Still, because of the price-performance balance, this is our pick as a beginner mini desktop. Finally, we have the BEELINK SER7 Mini PC. It is a little more expensive than the others. It has the same top specs for CPU and memory as the better of the first four. Where it really outperforms is the AMD Radeon graphics card. It supports up to 4 4K displays, 3 of which have speeds up to 144 Hz. That plus 4 high-speed USB connections and the 2.5 GHz Ethernet connection makes this our best pick for connections and worth the extra money. So what have we talked about? We've told you what to look for in a good gaming mini PC. CPU speed, memory, and graphics are the 3 most important specs. We've given you 5 options of mini PCs to look at for gaming. Links are provided in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Don't forget to check out our website for in-depth reviews and discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.